So, good evening, everyone. Now, today we are having a mathematics part 1 analysis session of prelims 3, third prelims. So, now you can see here that uh, as per the question paper outline, question number 1A is solve multiple choice questions. You already have given 2 prelims and you might be having the ideas of pattern. So see, that is first question already you know. Question number 1A, solve multiple choice question. 1 mark each. Total 4 questions are there. All the 4 questions are compulsory. Then solve 4 out of 4. All the 4 you have to solve. They are also 1 mark each. Then question number 2A is activity based question. That is complete 2 activities out of 3. Each each activity consists of 2 marks, total 4 marks. Then question number 2B, solve any 4 out of 5 sub questions. They are also 2 marks each. So it consists of 8 marks. Question number 3A, complete 1 activity out of 2. It is also activity based question and 3 marks for 1 activity. Then solve any 2 out of 4 sub questions, 3 marks each, total 6 marks. Then question number 4, solve any 2 out of 3 sub questions, 4 marks each. 2 questions are there, total 8 marks. Question number 5 is solve any 1 out of 2 sub questions, 3 marks each. 1 question is there for 3 marks. So from this, question number 1, 2 and 3 all will be from word to word from textbook syllabus. So don't worry about that, students. Question number 1, 2 and 3 is fully based on textbook. Now question number 4 and 5. Question number 4 and 5 are also from textbooks, but they are challenging questions. So the values may be changing, some words will be changing from it, some sentences may be changing, but it will be from the textbook itself. So question number 4 and 5 are challenging and creative questions which will be given. So question number 5 might be it may be based on your own responses. It is a creative question. So next is we will see the portion which is omitted in the year 2021-22. Here is the list which is given from chapter number 1, 2, 3 and so chapter number 4 is completely omitted, that is financial planning. Then question chapter number 5, probability, no portion has been omitted from this chapter. And number 6, that is statistics, it is also completely omitted. No questions will be asked from the omitted part. So it is not difficult to pass in mathematics. It is too easy. Students, practice hard. Now see here, there are some tips for the students which can be used. You can solve multiple choice questions. You can solve activity based questions. Okay, so in that you can score the marks. Then if you if you give some formulas also, you will get the marks. In question number 4, question number 5, if you are performing some steps, there also you will get the marks. Whether your answer is wrong, your steps will be getting the marks. Then while solving a question, what you have to remember is write proper steps giving reasons wherever necessary. Draw neat diagram wherever necessary. Okay, so underline the final answer. It should be blue or black ink or put a box in the answer. Then always start the answer to a new question on a new page. This all you know. Then all the sub questions of a particular question should be answered in a continuous manner. If you don't know the answer to a particular sub question, keep proper space for writing it afterwards. So same questions, sub questions will be solved at a time on one page. If you don't know the answer, leave the place for it. Be neat and clean in writing. Have a practice of solving questions methodically. This will be helpful to you to solve the questions in the examination in time. Solve the questions in any now need practice set or horse problems. Practice or everything. Now see the paper pattern. See here, this is the answer sheet. So when you're getting the answer sheet, you have to write the roll number. In the board exams, you'll have to write the seat number. Seat number in figures, seat number in words, then candidate signature, whichever signature you have done in the board form, you will have to sign there. Then there will be center number and all, and subject mathematics 1 paper first. So date will be there, and then language of answer will be English. Okay, so now see here question number 1A. We will discuss the question paper now. That is question number 1A. It is multiple choice question, as you know. I have not written the question here. So just I will read a question for you. Choose the correct alternative for the questions given below. 4 marks it is. First question is the sequence -10, -6, -2, 2 is given. So now options are A is an AP, reason D is equal to -16, B is an AP, reason D is equal to 4, C is an AP, reason D is equal to -4, D is not an AP. So 4 options are given here, and from these proper option is B, because it is an AP, because the reason is D is equal to 4, that is distance between two consecutive terms is 4. -6 -10 will be 4, -2 -6, this difference -6 -10 is 4, -2 -6 is 4, 2 -2 is 4. Again the distance is between consecutive terms is constant, so it is an AP with D is equal to 4. Then number 2, to solve x plus y is equal to 3, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by determinant method, find D. So here options are 5, 1, -5 and -1. A is 5, B is 1, C is -5 and D is -1. After solving this, you will get the answer C, that is -5. Then number 3, that is out of the following equation, which one is not a quadratic equation? So here A is x square plus 4x is equal to 11 plus x square. B is x square is equal to 4x. C is 5x square is equal to 90. And D is 2x minus x square is equal to x square plus 5. So proper option is A, that is x square plus 4x is equal to 11 plus x square. Then fourth is the roots of x square plus kx plus k is equal to 0 are real and equal, find k. So it will be option A is 0, B is 4, C is 0 or 4, D is -1. So proper option is C, that is 0 or 4. Now question number 1B. Solve the following sub questions. What are the possibilities if any day of a week is to be selected randomly? So as we know that there are 7 days in a week. So a week has 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So total number of days in which a day can be chosen randomly is a week is 7. So possibilities will be 7. Now second is, if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 9 and C is equal to 6, then find the value of B square minus 4AC. So here we have to find the value of B square minus 4AC. A is equal to how much? 3. B is equal to 9 and C is equal to 6. This is given in the question. So B square minus 4AC will be B square 9 square minus 4 into 3 into 6, which will be equal to 81 minus 72, which is equal to 9. Then next question number 1B, number 3. If T3 is equal to 8 and T4 is equal to 12, then find the common difference of an AP. So what is the question given? If T3 is equal to 8 and T4 is equal to 12, then find the common difference of an AP. So here, since we know that T3 is 8 and T4 is equal to 12, and we are knowing the formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here T3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So here we are putting the value of T3 as 8, which is equal to A plus 2D, and T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, which is equal to T4 is given 12. So 12 plus A plus 3D. So now subtracting this from 1 and 2, we get D is equal to 4. First equation is 8 is equal to A plus 2D and second is 12 is equal to A plus 3D. Subtracting 1 from 2. So 12 is equal to A plus 3D minus 8 is equal to A plus 2D. If we do this, we will get D is equal to 4. Therefore, the common difference is 4. The answer which we were needed is the common difference, which is 4. Now, number 4. Find the value of determinant. 5 minus 7, 3, 0. So we have to find the value of this determinant, that is by cross multiplying. 5 into 0 minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to 0 minus minus 21. So minus minus will become plus. So 0 plus 21 is equal to 21. So the answer is 21. Now next question. That is activity based question. Question number 2A, number 1. Question number 2A, number 1. X plus y is equal to 3. Complete the following table to draw graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. Dear students, you have to only complete the table. No need of drawing the graph. Graph is not needed here. Only you have to do is complete the table. So now, if we are doing this, so x plus y is equal to 3 dash value of y is not given, and xy there is written 3 0. So after completing this, we will get the value of y, that is 0. It's already given in coordinate system xy, that is given in the box 3 0. So see there 0 is already mentioned there. So in place of y you will write 0. Then dash 5 and again dash is there. So after finding the value of x by putting the value of y as 5, we will get x is equal to minus 2. So it will be minus 2 and 5. And last is dash 3 0 3. So in this like this, in this column, as 0 is already mentioned there, in the place of for which we will put this as in the place of x 0 3. It is already given. So from this we can say that value of x is 0 here. So now next question is, a card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is an ace. This is the next question. Solution is there. Let S be the sample space. And S is equal to how much? It will be 52. As we know that number of cards are 52. So let event A is, that is card drawn is an ace. So we know that ace, how many A's are there? 26. So NA is equal to 26. Therefore, probability of event A is equal to NA upon NS, which will be equal to 26 upon 32, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. So now, question number 3 from 2A. Here, write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. 70, 60, 50, 40, dash, dash, dash. Here, T1 is equal to how much? 70. T2 is equal to 60. T3 is equal to 50. T4 is equal to 40 and dash, 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 so on. So here A is equal to how much? A is equal to T1, that is equal to 70. And D is equal to 60 minus 70. We are subtracting greater number from the smaller number. So the answer will be in the negative form, that is minus 10. Then question number 2B. Now we will see question number 2B. So question is, find the 19th term of the following AP. 7, 13, 19, 25, dash, 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 dash. Okay, so this is the AP given here, 7, 13, 19, 25, dash, dash, dash. Now, what we have to find is 19th term of this AP. So the given AP is how much? 7, 13, 19, 25, dash, dash, dash. Here, A is equal to how much? 7. A is equal to 7. D is equal to 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6. When you're doing 19 minus 13, you will also get 6. 25 minus 19, you will get 6 itself. So, since Tn is equal to, we know the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So, T19 is equal to 7 plus 19 minus 1 into 6, which is equal to 7 plus 18 into 6. So, it will be equal to 7 plus 108. So, T19 will be equal to 115. So, 19 term of the given AP is 115. Now, see the second one. Determine nature of roots of the quadratic equations 2x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So here 2x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Just a minute. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. We know this formula. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here by putting the value b is equal to minus 3 here. First you can write the values. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 4. So here b square is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into a, that is 2, into c, that is minus 4. So delta is equal to minus minus, it will become plus. So 3 3 is 9 plus 4 2 is 8, 8 4 is 32 and minus minus again will become plus, that is plus 32. So 9 plus 32, which is equal to 41. The nature of roots is delta, which is greater than 0. It is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Okay, then question number 3. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a spade. Now see here, let A be the event that a card selected at random is a spade. Okay. In a given example, we know that ns, that is sample space, number of sample space is equal to 52. Then event A, NA, is equal to 13 as there are 13 spade cards. So NA is equal to 13. Therefore, we can say that TA is equal to NA upon NS, which will be equal to 13 upon 52. And further dividing it, we will get 1 upon 4. So now this question is over. Now to be number 4. Fourth question is, the sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. So see here, we will take that let the father's age be x years and the son's age be y years. As we don't know the ages, we will take x and y years. Sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. So x plus 2y is equal to 70. This is equation 1. Then double the age of the father added to the age of his son to the sum is 95. This is the second condition given. So 2x plus y is equal to 95. This is equation number 2. Now adding 1 and 2 we will get 3x plus 3y is equal to 165. 2x plus x is 3x plus 2y plus y is 3y is equal to 70 plus 95 is 165. And as we are getting 3x plus 3y is equal to 165, we will divide all the sides by 3. We will get x plus y is equal to 55. So now this is the third equation, x plus y is equal to 55. Now we will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So 2x minus x plus y minus 2y is equal to 95 minus 70. So we will get x minus y is equal to 25. Now adding equation third and fourth, we will get 2x is equal to 80. Therefore, x is equal to 40. Value of x we are getting 40. And now putting the value of x is equal to 40 in equation number 3. So what is the equation 3? X plus y is equal to 55. So in this we will put x is equal to 40. So 40 plus y is equal to 55. Therefore, y is equal to 55 minus 40, which will be equal to 15. Therefore, y is equal to 15. Thus, the age of the father is 40 years and the age of his son is 15 years. I think students, this question you might have solved in the last prelim, that is second prelims also. Same question has been repeated here. So it is not too difficult for you. Now, question number 2b number 5. Okay, 2b number 5. If x is equal to 3, is the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, then find the value of k. So, given x is equal to 3 is the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 3 must satisfy the given quadratic equation. Now, see here, we are putting x is equal to 3 in this equation, that is kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So instead of x, we will write here 3. So k3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 3 is a 9 and square of k is already k. So 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. 9k minus 30 plus 3 is minus 27. So 9k minus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, 9k is equal to 27 and value of k is equal to 27 upon 9, which is will be equal to 3. Thus, we have find the value of k, which is equal to 3. Now, question number 3a. Question number 3a. Complete any one of the following activity. First activity is given 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. To solve this quadratic equation by factorization, complete the following activity. Solution 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x square plus 5x. Here, you will underline 5, make the box or underline 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. So 5x and 2x, here both the numbers you will have to make the box or you have to underline it. Then x into, again, whatever is written in the bracket, that is 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5, both you will have to write in the box or you will have to underline it. X into 2x plus 5 plus root 2 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x, again 2x plus 5 you have to write in the box is equal to 0, or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. This you have to write in the box, or x is equal to minus root 2. So these are the roots of the equation. Therefore, 5 minus root 2 and minus root 2 are the roots of the equation. Here also, you have to make the box 2 of on minus 5 upon root 2. Next is to solve simultaneous equation by determinant method. Fill in the blanks. That is, y plus 2x minus 19 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So here d is equal to, it is given dash upon 2 and dash upon 3 minus 3. So here you will write 2 and 1. For C students, to remember this Kramer's rule, you can use 12, 32, 13. This formula can be used there. 12 means A, B. 32 means C, B. And 13 means A, C. That means first is 12, so A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay. Then 32, that is C1, C2, B1, B2. And next is 13, that is A1, A2, C1, C2. For finding the value of D, you will use A1, A2, B1, B2. For finding the value of dx, you will use C1, C2 and A1, A2. And for finding the value of dy, you will use A1, A2, C1, C2. In this way, you can use this 12, 32, 13 formula. Okay. So now see, d is equal to 2, 2, 1 minus 3. So after cross multiplying, that is 2 into minus 3 minus 2 into 1, you will get minus 6 minus 2, which will be equal to minus 8. minus minus plus, but the greater number sign is negative, so we will have to write minus 8. Then dx, that is 19 minus 3, 1 and minus 3. So 19 into minus 3 minus minus 3 into 1. So 19 into minus 3 is minus 57 minus minus 3, which is equal to minus 54. Then dy, which is equal to 2 upon 2 to 19 minus 3, which is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 2 into 19. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 minus minus 38, which is equal to minus 44. Now by Cramer's rule, we can say that x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So dx, value of dx we have got minus 54 and value of d is minus 8. So minus 54 upon minus 8, which will be equal to 27 upon 4. Then y is equal to dy upon d, which is equal to minus 44 upon minus 8. So it will be equal to minus 11 upon 2. So these are the values. Okay. Then question number 3a we have completed here. Now 3b. 3b question number 3b is question number 1 is question number 3b is solve any two of the following sub questions. So two questions you have to solve here. Each question is of 3 marks, total 6 marks. Number 1 is a balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. He wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Anita. What is the probability of the event that Anita gets? First is a red balloon, second is a blue balloon, and third is a green balloon. So this probability you have to find out of red balloon, blue balloon, and green balloon. So now see here, how many total number of balloons are there? There are 2 red, 3 blue, and 4 greens. That is 9 balloons are there. 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 9 balloons. That means ns is equal to 9. Therefore, we will say that let A be the event that Pranali gets a red balloon. Okay. We can use here name Anita. Anita is here. So Anita gets a red balloon. Total number of red balloons is how much? 2. Therefore, Na is equal to 2 and Pa is equal to Na upon Ns, which will be equal to 2 upon 9. In the same way, let B be the event that Anita gets a blue balloon. So total number of blue balloons is equal to 3. Therefore, NB is equal to 3. Therefore, we can say that PB is equal to NB upon NS, which is equal to 3 upon 9. And after reducing this 3 upon 9, we will get 1 upon 3. So probability of PB is equal to 1 upon 3. That is of blue balloon. Now, let C be the event that Anita gets a green balloon. So total number of green balloons is how much? 4. So NC is equal to 4. Now probability of this is NC upon NS, which will be equal to 4 upon 9. So these are the answers for it of 3B question number 1. Now 3B question number 2. On 1st Jan 2016, Madhvi decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? So, Madhvi's daily savings of 2016 are as follows: 10, 11, 12, dash, dash, dash. So this above sequence is an AP. We know that it is an arithmetic progression. Here A is equal to 10, D is equal to, that is 11 minus 10, T2 minus T1, which is equal to 11 minus 10, which is equal to 1. And N is equal to 366 because 2016 is a leap year. In this leap year, February month has one extra day. So instead of 365, there will be 366 days. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Here we will put the values now. Therefore, S366 is equal to 366 upon 2 into 2 into 10 plus 366 minus 1 into 1. In this way, it will be equal to 183 into 20 plus 365 into 1. So it will be equal to 183 into 20 plus 365, which is equal to 183 into 385. Therefore, S366 is equal to 70,455. Therefore, Madhvi's total saving on 31st December 2016 would be 70,455 rupees. Okay, then next question. Question number 3. Sum of the present ages of Manish and Savita is 31. Manish's age is 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. Find their present age. So here, let the present age of Manish be x years and that of Savita be y years. Therefore, sum of their present ages is equal to 31. It is given in the question. So, x plus y is equal to 31. This is equation number 1. The age 3 years ago. 3 years ago, it is saying. The age 3 years ago was, Manish's age 3 years ago was 4 times the age of Savita. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to 4y minus 12. Therefore, we can say that x minus 4y is equal to minus 9. So, subtracting 1 from 2, we get 5y is equal to 40. Therefore, we are getting the value of y is equal to 8. And substituting or putting the value of y in 1, we will get x plus 8 is equal to 31. X is equal to 31 minus 8, which is equal to 23. X is equal to 23. Thus, age of Manish is 23 years and age of Savita is 8 years. Now, next question. Question number 4. The sum of two roots of a quadratic equation is 5 and sum of their cubes is 35. Find the equations. So, in this, alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35. Okay. So here, alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35 as it is given in the question. Sum of the two roots of the quadratic equation is 5, that is alpha plus beta. And sum of their cubes, that is alpha cube plus beta cube, is equal to 35. That is alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to, we will do this, expand this formula. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta into alpha square minus alpha into beta plus beta square. That is, as we know that alpha plus beta, alpha cube plus beta cube is how much? 35. So we'll put the value as 35 is equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to 5. So it will be 5 into alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta minus 3 alpha beta. 7 is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 3 alpha beta. 7 is equal to 25 minus 30 into beta. Therefore, this 3 alpha beta is equal to 18. So alpha into beta will be 18 upon 3, which is equal to 6. So equation x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. In this, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation we are getting. Now question number 4. 1. Solve the quadratic equation using formula 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. So here students, formula method is mentioned. So you have to solve this sum using formula method only. Don't use any other method for solving this question. So comparing the, don't use Kramer's rule, don't use any other method, use only formula method. Comparing the above equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we can get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 13 square minus 4 into 5 plus into 8, which is equal to 169 minus 160, it is equal to 9. Therefore, we have got this value, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to, as we know the formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula for solving quadratic equation by formula method. That is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which is equal to minus 13 plus minus under root 9 upon 2 into 5, which will be equal to minus 13 plus minus 3 upon 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. We can also say that x is equal to minus 10 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 16 upon 10. By reducing it, we will get x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. So, the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5. This is question number 4, first sum. Now, question number 4, second sum. John kept 26 cards in a cap, bearing one English alphabet on each card. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card? This question is there in your textbook in the practice set. Now see here, let S be the sample space. We are given that there are 26 cards in a cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. Okay. Therefore, NS is equal to 26. You know that there are 26 alphabets, English alphabets. So NS, that is number of sample space, will be 26. Let A be the event of drawing is a vowel card. So you know that there are 5 vowels in English alphabets. So there are 5 vowels out of 26 English alphabets. Therefore, NA is equal to 5. So probability will be PA is equal to NA upon NS, which will be equal to 5 upon 26. So we can't reduce this, so it will be 5 upon 26 itself. Now, number 3. A two-digit number and the number with digits interchange add up to 121. In the given number, the digit is in units place is 7 more than the digit in the tens place. Find the original number. Now see here, initially let the units digit be x and tens digit be y. Then the number is 10y plus x. If we are taking the unit place as x and tens place as y, then we will get the number as 10y plus x. On interchanging the digits, the number is 10x plus y. If we are interchanging the digits, the number will become 10x plus y. As per the given condition, first condition, as per the first given condition, you will get 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 121. Well, after adding this both, we will get 121. So 11x plus 11y is equal to 121. Dividing both the sides by 11, we will get x plus y is equal to 11. Then, as per second condition, in the given number, digit in units place is 7 plus digits in tens place. Therefore, x is equal to 7 plus y. So, x minus y plus y will be shifted in the left hand side. So, it will become x minus y, which will be equal to 7. X plus y is equal to 11. This is equation 1. X minus y is equal to 7. This is equation 2. So after adding equation 1 and 2, we will get 2x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 upon 2. Therefore, we will get the value of x as 9. After putting or substituting this x is equal to 9 in equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 11. You will get 9 plus y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11 minus 9. Therefore, y is equal to 2. So, as we know that the original number is 10y plus x. So, substituting the values of y and x in this number, that is 10 into 2 plus 9 is equal to 20 plus 9, which will be equal to 29. So, the original number which we'll get is 29. Now, question number 5. Question number 5. Solve any one of the following sub questions. 3 marks. Question number 1. The difference between squares of two numbers is 120. Okay, the difference between squares of two numbers is 120. The square of smaller number is twice the greater number. Find the numbers. So now, in this, let the smaller number be x and larger number be y. The square of smaller number is twice the greater number. It is given that the square of smaller number is twice the greater number. That is, x square is equal to 2y. And the difference between squares of two numbers is 120. So, y square minus x square is equal to 120. Okay. So here y square minus 2y minus 120 is equal to 0. So y square plus minus 12y plus 10y. We have factorized this. We have factorized this 120 in such a way that after getting the product will be 120 and after subtracting them it will be minus 2y. So y square minus 12y plus 10y minus 120 is equal to 0. Therefore, y into y minus 12 plus 10 into y minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, y plus 10 into y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to 12 or y is equal to minus 10. So, the numbers are 12 as the larger number and the smaller number is, as we know that the number will not be negative, so we'll take the positive number which is 12 and the smaller number is x square is equal to 2 into 12 which is equal to 24. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus under root 24. Now, next question. Question number 2. Two APs are given 9, 7, 5, dash, 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 and 24, 21, 18, dash, dash, dash. If 9 term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and n terms. Okay, so two these APs are given. The first AP is 975 dash dash dash. Here A is equal to 9, D is equal to 7 minus 9 which is equal to minus 2. Therefore, n term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D which is equal to A plus 9, A plus n minus 1, 9 plus n minus 1 into minus 2, 9 minus 2n plus 2 is equal to 11 minus 2n. The second AP is 24, 21, 18 dash dash dash. Here A is equal to 24, D is equal to 21 minus 24 which is equal to minus 3. Therefore, n term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D which is equal to 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So which is equal to 24 minus 3 into n will be minus 3n plus minus into minus will be plus. So 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 27 minus 3n. 24 plus 3 will be 27. So it will become 27 minus 3n. Since the n terms of the two APs are equal, we can say that 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. Therefore, 3n minus 2n we will take together. This minus 3n will be shifted to left hand side, so it will become plus 3n. Minus 2n remain as it is equal to 27. This plus 11 is shifted to right hand side, so it will become minus 11. So now n is equal to 16. So T16 is equal to 9 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 2, which will be equal to 9 plus 15 into minus 2 is equal to 9 minus 30. So T16 is equal to minus 21. The values of n and n terms are 16 and minus 21 respectively. So in this way, we have discussed the questions. Now, students, if you have any doubts relating this, you can ask me.
Students, if you have any doubts, raise your hand and ask your doubts.
Any questions which you have not understood, you can ask the doubt. Yes, Ritik. Yes, what is the problem, beta? Which question you want?
Ask your doubt. Unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Tarmin, speak.
Yes, Tarmin. Which question? You can just ask which question number you want.
Tarmin, unmute yourself and ask your doubt. Students, any doubt? If you have any doubts, raise your hand and ask your doubts. Adarsh Gupta, unmute yourself.
हेलो मिस
Yes.
मिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का ये समझ में नहीं आया
Question
Can you
number
explain?
4. Yeah. Question number 4 का number 1 ना बेटा. First question of question number 4 na. This one.
Adarsh, unmute yourself.
Okay, see here beta. In this question number 4, first question, what we have to do is number 1 is solve the quadratic equation using formula method. That is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. This question is given and here you have to use formula method. And in this, first we will have to compare this equation by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So after comparing this, we will get, as it is given, 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. From this, we can say that a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 8. Now, as we know the formula, b square minus 4ac, that is, we will find the value of b square minus 4ac first, then we will use this in formula method. So it will be equal to 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8, which will be equal to 169 minus 160 is equal to 9. This is the 9 is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now, using this in formula method, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula for solving quadratic equation using formula method. So here, substituting the values, which is equal to minus 13 plus under root 9, as we have got the value of b square minus 4ac as 9. So we will use this as 9 under root 9 upon 2 into a, that is 2 into 5, which will be equal to 13 plus or minus root 9 को हमने अगर बाहर निकाला, it will be 3 upon 2 5 are 10. So it will be minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, और x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. अब इसको आगे अगर हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं तो minus 13 plus 3 will be minus 10 upon 10, और x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 को अगर हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया आगे तो it will become minus 16 upon 10. After reducing this, इसको अगर हम reduce करते तो x is equal to 10 will be cut, that is minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, और x is equal to minus 16 upon 10 को अगर reduce करते तो it will become 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10, that is minus 8 upon 5. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 and minus 8 upon 5. समझा?
Hello, Sonam, unmute yourself.
हेलो
हाँ? Yes, बेटा.
Sonam, unmute yourself.
Sonam.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बी का फोर्थ बताइए ना फिर रिटर्न
2b का नंबर 4.
यस टीचर
ओके बेटा. 2b का नंबर 4, ठीक है. ये तुम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम भी, लास्ट जो प्रीलिम है ना, सेकंड प्रीलिम, उसमें भी तुमको आया था ये क्वेश्चन. अब यहाँ पे जो है तो क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है, 2b का नंबर 4, फादर्स एज और उसका सन का एज बोला है. द सम ऑफ फादर्स एज and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of his son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. So यहाँ पे हमने क्या बोला कि let the father's age be x years and son's age be y years. अब इसका जो सम है, sum of the father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. मतलब फादर का एज और उसमें सन का ट्वाइस एज लेंगे, मतलब 2 टाइम्स, दैट इज x plus 2y is equal to 70. अब डबल द एज ऑफ द फादर एडेड टू द एज ऑफ हिज सन, द सम इज 95. मतलब अगर उसके फादर का डबल एज है 2x और सन का एज जो है वो y है, 2x plus y which is equal to 95. तो ये दो इक्वेशन बने हमारे, x plus 2y is equal to 70 और 2x plus y is equal to 95. अब इसको दोनों को अगर हम लोग ऐड करते हैं, एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2, we will get 3x plus 3y is equal to 165. देखो अभी x में 2x ऐड किया तो हो गया 3x, 2y में y ऐड किया तो हो गया 3y और 70 में 95 ऐड किया तो हो गया 165. तो 3x plus 3y is equal to 165 मिला. इसको अगर हम लोगों ने पूरे इक्वेशन को डिवाइड बाय 3 किया तो ये 3 जो है वो कट हो जाएगा, तो x plus y बचेगा वहां पर, और 165 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो 55 हो जाएगा. तो x plus y is equal to 55. दिस इज द थर्ड इक्वेशन. उसके बाद सबट्रैक्टिंग 1 फ्रॉम सेकेंड, ये जो सब फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है उसको सेकेंड में से सबट्रैक्ट किया अगर, तो हमको मिलेगा 2x minus x plus y minus 2y is equal to 95 minus 70. That is, which is equal to x minus y is equal to 25. अब जो इक्वेशन मिला है फोर्थ, तो ये थर्ड और फोर्थ इक्वेशन को ऐड करना है हमको. तो थर्ड और फोर्थ इक्वेशन को ऐड करेंगे तो x प्लस x कितना हो जाएगा, 2x प्लस y माइनस y कट हो जाएगा, 55 और प्लस 25 करेंगे तो वो 80 हो जाएगा. So 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 80 upon 2, that is 40. Therefore x का value मिला 40 years. Putting the value of x is equal to 40 in third equation, that is 40 plus y is equal to 55. Therefore y will be equal to 55 minus 40. Therefore y is equal to 15. Thus we can say that the age of the father is 40 years and the age of his son is 15 years. Okay.
Rehan, unmute yourself.
Yes.
हेलो टीचर,
हाँ बोलो.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का फर्स्ट वाला समझा दो.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का नंबर 1.
हाँ.
यस यस. ओके सी यार, अभी जो है ना यहाँ पर दो एक नंबर दिया है, स्मॉलर नंबर और ग्रेटर नंबर, हमको दोनों भी नहीं पता है, तो हमने स्मॉलर नंबर x लिया और लार्जर नंबर y लिया. तो यहाँ पे द स्क्वायर ऑफ स्मॉलर नंबर इज ट्वाइस द ग्रेटर नंबर. ठीक है, उसका जो वो है स्क्वायर है छोटे नंबर का, वो इट इज ग्रेटर नंबर से ट्वाइस है, मतलब x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2y. तो डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्क्वायर्स ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज 120. इसमें दिया है क्वेश्चन में, डिफरेंस क्या है उसका, 120. Therefore y square minus x square is equal to 120. ये इक्वेशन बनेगा वहां पर. अभी y square minus 2y minus 120 is equal to 0. ये इक्वेशन सेकेंड बना. तो उसके बाद जो है तो इसको हमने फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से किया आगे. फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से 120 के ऐसे प्रोडक्ट नंबर्स निकाले दोनों भी, कि जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 120 आएगा और जिसको हम लोग अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते तो 2y आएगा. मिडल नंबर का साइन जो है माइनस है, इसके लिए माइनस करने के बाद वो 2y आना चाहिए. y square minus 12y plus 10y minus 120 is equal to 0. Therefore अभी कॉमन क्या निकलेगा यहाँ पे, y into y minus 12 प्लस यहाँ पे कॉमन निकलता है 10 into y minus 12 is equal to 0. So दो एक ब्रैकेट में y plus 10, एक ब्रैकेट में y minus 12 is equal to 0. तो y is equal to 12 और minus 10, ये प्लस 10 क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 10 ब्रैकेट में से बाहर आने के बाद, और ये माइनस 12 प्लस हो जाएगा, दैट इज y is equal to 12 और y is equal to minus 10. बट इट विल बी नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं रहेगा, वो नंबर लार्जर नंबर जो है, इसके लिए उसको हम 12 पकड़ेंगे. सो द नंबर्स आर 12 एज द लार्जर नंबर्स एंड द स्मॉलर नंबर इज. अब स्मॉलर नंबर निकालने के लिए जो है फिर से हम लोग इसको x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 into 12 विच इज इक्वल टू 24 करेंगे. x स्क्वायर बोला है ना, तो x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2 into 12. 2y बोला है, x square is equal to 2y, so x square is equal to 2 into 12 which is equal to 24. तो x is equal to plus minus root 24. स्क्वायर से बाहर आया x, तो x is equal to plus minus root 24. This is the smaller number. समझा? नेक्स्ट अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है और any doubt?
Yes, Students, if any doubts, raise your hands. Amjad Sheikh, unmute yourself.
Yes, Hamza.
टीचर
हाँ
टीचर फर्स्ट बी का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B का
हाँ 1B का कौन सा?
फर्स्ट वाला।
फर्स्ट वाला।
हाँ
ओके इसमें क्या है बेटा? इसमें खाली 7 डेज है। उसमें तुमको पता है ना हफ्ते में कितने दिन रहते? कितने डेज रहते हैं?
7
एक वीक में 7। तो वो बस 7 डेज के नाम लिखने हैं वहाँ पे। अगर 7 डेज के नाम लिख रहे हो तुम, मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे सैटरडे, तो कितनी पॉसिबिलिटी बनेंगे? उसमें 7 पॉसिबिलिटी बनेंगे। अगर कोई भी एक रैंडमली चूज करना रहा उसमें हफ्ते में से एक दिन, तो कितनी पॉसिबिलिटी होते? 7 पॉसिबिलिटी। बस इतना ही है इसमें, और कुछ नहीं।
ओके
Again, any doubt, students?
Nakshatra, unmute yourself.
Yes, Nakshatra.
The paper once, whole paper, like I need to see.
Which beta?
The answer,
Answer of which question you want?
question number 4,
Question number 4. Number
2.
2. Yeah, okay. Okay, now see here. Question number 4, number 2. Now, in this sample space is given. What is the question given is John kept 26 cards in a cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. We know that there are 26 English alphabets. You are knowing the ABCD, you are knowing, no? So 26 alphabets are there in English. So NS, that is number of sample space, will be 26. And as we know that there are 5 vowels in English alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels we know. So let A be the event of drawing is a vowel card. There are 5 vowels of 26 English alphabet. So the NA will be equal to 5. You can write here vowels, that is NA is equal to A, E, I, O, U, which is NA is equal to A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, and NA is equal to 5. Therefore, PA is equal to NA upon NS, which will be equal to 5 upon 26. Hence, the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card is 5 upon 26, because we cannot reduce this again. So it will remain as it is, 5 upon 26. Again, any question?
Okay, teacher, we'll wind up the lecture.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, teacher.